how to find the missing extra brightness setting on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on display. From here, we then go down. Now you can see in this menu right here, the extra brightness is supposed to be in here, but it's not here. So what you want to do is turn off adaptive brightness. Once you turn off the adaptive brightness, an additional settings will appear at the bottom. So that is the extra brightness. So you can tap on the toggle button to turn on extra brightness. This will increase the maximum brightness. So it said that this uses more battery because the screen is a lot brighter, so it uses more power, hence it will use more battery. And that's it. So if for some reason you find the phone is not bright enough, you can turn this on. This is a useful feature if you need to use your phone under the sun. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.